Hi, good morning. I just found this paper, NEET exam paper on NTA website, and I'm planning to convert it into an online quiz. The problem is many of the application are not compatible to the local languages other than English, so it becomes a challenge for me. And there are obviously so many figures and so much of expressions here, which makes the work even more difficult. I do not wish to cut paste everything onto the back end of a system. Obviously, it will take a lot of time, and the language becomes a barrier. So I found out a solution, PDFMock.com, which can convert any existing MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes within minutes. And it does not matter what language the PDF is in. So, without doing any cut paste, typing of content, or inserting images, the test can online test can be generated using just the PDF question paper. If you're the first time user, you can register yourself. You can write your organization name and organization address. You can write your name as a teacher and your email ID, and you click on the plus button. You can have multiple teachers under the same organization, and once you click on the save button, all the teacher associated with this organization will have an instant access, so no more waiting for the approval, etc. Since I already have an access, so I click on the login button, and I'm taken to the dashboard, which looks like this. There are two options: test and batch. In batch section, I manage all the students through my internal database, segregated into different batches. And my test is where I create the test, and I also manage the test. So I click on the create test button, and I'm going to upload the PDF which we just saw in the Kannada language. And mm, it's uploading. So PDFs are, by the way, great way to store the content, but they are also very stubborn, so and difficult to work with. So this is the paper we were referring to. So this is the question number one, and this is a single correct question. And you have three options here in the platform: single correct, multiple correct, and fill in the blanks. And these three will cater to any kind of questions like assertion, reasoning, true, false, or data sufficiency also. So all kind of objective type questions will be covered here. And for the marking scheme, for NEET, 4 marks for correct score, -1 for incorrect, and 0 for not attempted. I can have a decimal values also, very easy. I click on the add button. Once click the cross, I'll take the crosshair and put the interactivity in front of each of these choices. And suppose I don't know the real answer, suppose second option is correct, I click on the second option and save it. So the first question is done very easily. I go on and do the same activity for the second question here. And suppose the fourth option is correct, I do s- click on the save button, and the second question is also done. So in this way, you can create the online test, and you can write the title and the description. And suppose the duration is 180 minutes, you can do it. So right now it's showing two questions, maximum marks of 8, but you can go ahead and do the same activity till the time you have mapped all the questions. And this will hardly take 45 minutes to do it. And you can add a solution file also, which means when the student has taken the test, they will receive a view only file, so that they can refer to all the explanation and what went wrong, etc. And you click on the save button. Saving the button will take us back to the dashboard, and there you can do the activity of like scheduling the test. So you can go back and edit the rest of the question, add the rest of the question by clicking on edit button. You can delete it, this test from here. You can also share it to other colleagues or teacher who are present in the PDF mock by writing their email ID and searching their name. And here you can schedule the test. So there are two options: close-ended and open-ended. Close-ended means a particular date and time where you want to conduct this test. Open-ended means you have starting time but no ending time. You can select the batches to who you want to allocate this test. You can also allow the external student, so that anybody who is not in your database can take the test and you collect their database and you schedule it. So after hitting schedule button, you will get test URL, which can be shared on the WhatsApp group or Telegram channel or through the email very easily. You can pause this schedule, and you can edit this schedule also. You can see how easily I have created test without doing any cut paste or typing of content in any language I can. So this has saved me so much of time and effort in creating online quizzes, and this works really good. Student can take the test on mobile or a laptop very easy. So you also use it and share your feedback. Thank you.